So I've been losing my marbles. I'm removing the dash. And essentially it's been a big disaster. I've got unrippable gloves that are... The point is, I don't want to bore you guys with me tearing stuff apart. So I'm tearing everything in the front apart because we're going to do the floor and we're going to do the nose and we're going to do everything. Got in most of the front stripped down. As you can see, there's no more dash. Mallory's been working on the dash to restore it. We restore little pieces little by little, then at the end you don't have to worry about it. And I'm gonna start grinding, or well, stripping out the paint to find all the spot welds, then drill out the spot welds, and hopefully pull up this old floor. It's gonna be quite the process. It was a new drill bit, so.
What?
This is gonna be quite the process. I can't tell what's a spot weld. Yeah, surely went too deep on that one. Just so you guys know, I have never done something like this before. It's my first time drilling out spot welds. It has been awful. Let's just be honest. It's awful, but doable. And then here, I couldn't tell it was a spot weld or a rust pit. So I created this technique where you get a piece of, I don't know, egg gauge, whatever this is. I'm not a fabricator. Get in here, and then you just go. Don't pry too much though, because you'll warp your panel, I guess, or something. But I'm trying to drill out these spot welds. Apparently I've only gotten 2 of them. It's a process, 100%. Don't recommend, but at the same time I recommend if you just want to suffer and fix your bus on a budget. Just being honest. As you can see, I've drilled these out here. Now we hammer this in. As you can see, I'm very exhausted. I've chosen the worst possible position for the sake of comedy. I would rate this a 7 out of 10 on the difficulty scale for beginners. I'm not sure what that means, but it took me a long time. But it's out. I think I'm starting to panic. Yeah. If you like that video, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment. Every comment helps. And subscribe to the channel. There's a mosquito about to bite me. Kill it, babe! Now here's some clips from Bugapalooza. Enjoy.